Hey guys, how's it going? It's Logan here, and today I'm going to show you how to remove EXIF data from JPEGs and HEIC on a Mac. So it's a pretty simple process. If you're not sure what EXIF data is, basically it's going to be the location data that's attached to your image. As you can see here, I pulled up the information for this image, and in this more info section you have the latitude and the longitude attached to the image, exactly where it was taken. So this is a precise location that is attached to your photo, and this is actually on by default when you take a photo with your iPhone. I'm not too sure about other mobile devices, but it is a pretty standard feature in today's cameras to track the location. So this video is going to show you how to remove this information fairly quickly so you can share your photos online without worrying about compromising your location. So the first thing you want to do is you're going to have your photo selected. This tool that I'm using is called EXIF Hunter. You can get it from the App Store. It looks just like this, and I'll put a link for that below in the description. So once you have EXIF Hunter, pop it open, and you're going to want to select the photos that you are converting or removing the EXIF data from. So as you can see, I have a JPEG here and an .heic. Now, these are the two most common file types, so if your photo is not in these file types, I'd recommend either converting it to match these file types. Yeah, I just recommend converting it because otherwise the tool might not work. So you'll take your JPEG or your .heic and you'll drag it into the tool. You'll click Kill EXIF Data, and then you'll click Save. This is where you're saving your folder of the outputs. Now this tool doesn't remove the data from your original photos. As you can see, the originals are still right here, but the new folder that's created says EXIF Hunter. You're going to open that up, and inside there you're going to pull open your photo. And as you can see, the EXIF data has now been removed from the photo. It's a pretty simple process, and it works pretty fast. So I hope this video helps you remove EXIF data from your photos. No matter what you're using the tool for, let me know below. And if you like this video, definitely drop a like, subscribe, and come back for more. All right, see you guys.